6. Let's go. Okay, so ngayon pupunta kami sa art class ng 8:45 to 9:45 tapos around 10 o'clock. Magsiswimming naman yung mga bata. Are you excited, girls? Yeah?
I got my pretty dress.
Let me see your pretty dress. Oh, wow, pretty dress. Oh, wow. Yan, dito kami sa may art class nila kasi 1 hour spring. Ayun na ate. Go there na. To start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many. When the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, is a rise. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to live. Okay guys, so dito pa rin kami sa may Great Wall. Bali, hinantay na lang namin yung mga kasama namin. Kami yung mga Arctic pack. No, it's so good. So, kami rin yung mga Arctic wolf pack, sabi nga ni Kuya Rolly. Yan. Wala pa sila. So, bali ngayong araw naman na to. So, first, katatapos na namin mag-swimming, inaantay na namin sila Kuya Rolly, sila Billy, sila Marcel, sila Kuya Brian, at si Mary. So, from Canada, magkakasama kami ngayon. Nauna lang kami kahapon. It's going to be magulong travel dito or magulong trip mamaya. So bali kami ngayon, nagsasaing na kami. Okay, maingay, may dala kaming rice cooker. So nakapagdalawang saing na kami. Hopefully may mga dala silang ulam. So matagal-tagal din yung biyahe nila, pero mas matagal yung biyahe namin kasi nabuto kami ng snowstorm. Ayan, no. So dito manggagaling yung mga yan. So sabi nila 18 minutes na lang sila papunta dito sa location namin. Yan. So maganda yung pool nila ron. Napagod na yung mga bata after 2 hours ng kanilang pagsuswimming. Lalong-lalo na to si Arya. Sabi niya, I'm done! Tapos tinatanggal niya na yung kanyang salbabida. Kaya ngayon, naantay na lang namin sila para mag-lunch. So far, wala pa kaming idea kung ano yung susunod na itinerary. Pero for sure, for sure ba sa tayo? Mall of America for tomorrow? Or later, depende na lang. So, yan lang. So, update namin kayo. Update namin kayo kung nandito na sila. At titingnan natin yung mga ulam na dala nila kung nakalusot sila dun sa border. Kanya-kanyang kwento yan eh. Kasi kami kahapon na naharang kami sa border. Wala pa oh. So, dito lang namin. Ito lang yung tapat ng Greyford Lodge. Tapos, dun sa kabila, yung Hamilton Garden. Yan. And we have our first honor. The first honor, ayan, sila Billy.
Can we go down?
Tapos, ayun, sila Mary. Nandito na rin sila Mary.
And you guys see, Mommy's going to go down to...
Ayun naman, si Kuya Brian. Dumating na rin. Tsaka si Kuya Rolly na lang inaantay namin. So, bali, babaan na natin sila. Ayan. Okay, so papunta ako sa 4th floor, 422. So doon sila, Kuya Brian, nandito yung ulam. And nandito na rin yung lahat. So doon kami ngayon magla-lunch. So here we go, 4th floor. So doon tayo sa 422. Hello, to the pack.
Ikaw, gusto mo na bilhin, pare ayaw mo na nagawa. Eh, mabuti hindi na ako, hindi ko alam. Na-sunburn na ako.
Come on.
I was getting lost again.
No, let's go. Alright.
In the swimming pool, I think at least everything was
No, you're fine.
window.
Yeah, so ngayon naman pupunta kami sa room nila Tita Mary because we're going to have some dinner.
I almost said swimming pool.
So yung room nila Tita Mary will be the 825. There you go, the room. Nak. Yeah, nak. Yan. There you go! Chibog nga! Chibog! Chibog! Hi, Mary!
Bugan na, let's go. Kuya Rolly.
Wala eh, nag-message na tayo eh.
Nag-message ako, tumatawag din ako sa amin. Ano, tutulog din.
Baka tulog din.
Nauna kami ulit.
Oo.
Nauna kami.
Andoon na ako.
Alright, good morning. So, dito kami ngayon sa may Walmart. Kami bibili ng breakfast, tsaka mga pagkain, tsaka supplies. Kasi yung mga pagkain dun sa hotel, sobrang mamahal. So, ito, bibili kami ng bigas kasi yung dala kami ng rice cooker. Ano pa mabibili natin? Ano pa mabibili natin? Chocolate, tsaka bigas. Tsaka yung ano nila kasi, mac and cheese. Wala tayong cart. Okay na, ilagay mo na si Arya. Arya. Let's go. Yan. Kagigising lang namin. And, you know, si Baby Rizzy. Baby Rizzy na kumakain ng mac and cheese. So, in today's video naman, ngayong araw naman na ngayon na to, ang vlog natin is, punta kami after ng swimming ng mga bata kahapon, pupunta naman kami sa Mall of America, which is yung Mall of America, isa yan lang, yung pinakatapat namin dito. Doon kami pupunta ngayon. So, activities, kids will go to Nickelodeon. They're going to have their, yung rides, kasi yung mall dyan is marami parang amusement park. So, doon sila pupunta mamaya, magni-Nickelodeon sila. And then, kami dalawa naman ni Arya, pupunta kami sa aquarium. Kasi gusto niyan, mga fish. So, doon kami, maghiwalay kami ni Aisha ng activity. And then, dapat ngayong araw din, mag-i-impake na kami. But, again, magkakasama yung magpipinsan. So, sabi na lang din namin is best opportunity na rin sa kanila para magsama-sama sa isang lugar na malayo sa hometown, di ba? So we decided na mag-extend pa ng one more day. Yan. Buti na lang, binigyan kami ng magandang deal nung nasa reception. Yung dapat, ang gagawin dapat namin is pupunta kami sa isang maliit na microhotel dito malapit. Doon kami mag-i-stay. Pero the budget wise, halos parehas lang din yung i-stay or yung i-check in sa ibang hotel. So might as well dito na lang. Medyo expensive dito pero nabigyan kami ng mga discounts. Kaya stay muna kami. Yan. So yan. So, let's go, Great Wolf. Dito pa kami sa may magandang view. Ngayon, dito kami sa may aquarium para kay Arya. Kasi hindi siya makapag-rides dun sa mga ate niya. Kaya ito, pinasyal ko siya dito. Aquarium. What's that, Arya? Namin dun sa Mall of America, di ba, nagpa-room change kami or nag-extend kami ng one day. So bali ngayon, nandito naman kami sa isang room, second floor, tapat ng swimming pool. Look at those. Ito yung may Thank you, Yen. So yung gamit namin wala, pero ito yung bago naming view. Look at this. Ooh. So ano na kami, nasa poolside naman.
Wait, don't we get out?
Yeah, just there you go, poolside. How was it, Tracy? Tracy?
We can, when it's the pool that's closed, we can get out.
Yeah, I know. We can see you from here. Ito na yung poolside na indoor pool dito sa may lodge. Great Wolf Lodge. Extended kami ng one day, kaya dito kami pwenesto. So yan, sama namin yung mga magdi-dinner kami. Pupunta kami sa Cheesecake Factory dito malapit, mga 15 minutes drive sa Edina. So yan, kasama namin sila.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. Things you tried are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight
There ya.
we
doing?
are kings of the world.
Okay. So this is going to be the last day of our stay here. No, this is going to be a last day. So mamayang 10 o'clock we're going to check out and we're going to head back to Canada. Around 9:30. We should be ready by that time. Yung huling silip dito sa poolside. Ganyan lang itsura pag wala pang tao yung pool and yung resort. Tapos kami dyan lang nakaupo sa mga benches. So we're going to prepare kasi nga alis na kami mamaya. How's your trip?
Good.
Good? It's just good? It's not amazing?
No, it's amazing. It's just I'm hungry.
So ito, mga napagod sa Nickelodeon, nag-rides, swimming, tapos yun. So it was fun, right?
Yeah, but I want to eat
Okay, go eat.
chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake? So you got lots there, ate. Come on, ate kasi.
Now I'll be going.
We're going now. We're going. Almond, that's almond. Let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Guys, I have fuzzy. My hair is fuzzy right now, so don't mind my hair.
Oops.
It's fuzzy, and I look ugly with my hair down. So yeah.
Go, move, ate. Move now. Yeah, it's alright.